Hey, what's up guys? My name is Leo, channel Levitate Style. Welcome back to my channel. Back again with another sneaker review video. Before we get into this video, please follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Also, hit that subscribe button. We got new video on this channel every week. All right guys, in this video, I'm gonna be going over the Jordan 1 Mid Luka Doncic edition right here. So this one, I actually got this off of Sneakers app and I've had them for a few months now. Might as well do a quick sneaker review video for you guys so you guys can check them out if you guys like them or not. So this is officially the Air Jordan 1 Mid in this white eggplant aura colorway. And this retail for $125. I believe right now you can get them for about like $160, $170 off of StockX. Got the black and gold Jordan box here. Pretty simple Jordan box, and let's get into this thing. You got the white 23 paper here, and here's the sneaker. All right guys, so I got the Luka Doncic Jordan 1 Mid Pregame Pack Mindfulness. So that is the official name of these sneakers here. Quick look, it's a very nice and clean sneaker. Pretty great for the summertime too with these colors. And let's get into the details. So on this upper here, you got this like really light gray leather on the upper here. You don't normally see this kind of color on other sneakers, but I think like in different lighting or certain photos, it kind of just looked like an all white sneaker. But when you look at it in certain lighting, I think like up close, you can see like this is definitely like cool gray, washed off gray color. It's definitely an interesting color. You don't normally see this on any sneaker. So the upper is mostly this leather material, and then in the toe box here you have this white tumbled leather. And up you have these white laces to go with the white tongue, and on the tab you have this pretty unique thing that they have. It's this like Nike since 1972 Nike hoops. So that's very different. I don't think I've ever seen this on a pair of Nike sneaker, let alone a pair of Jordans like this before. The inner lining material is very interesting. They use something different and it has a nice luxury feel. I'll give them that for sure. And on the back here, you have breathe and center on one side. On the other side, it says center and breathe. I guess this is part of the mindfulness pre-game routine kind of thing. Breathe and center, center and breathe. And then another interesting thing is the different colors. On one shoe you got the purple, and on the other you have this like teal green color. And on the bottom they kind of swap the colors as well, with the teal green on one side and purple on the other. And on the side you got the classic Air Jordan logo. It's not really that noticeable. It's got this like white tinted color, so from far away you really don't notice that. So I don't really know how I feel about these. I think number one, these are Jordan 1 Mid. So right away, mids, I think this is my first pair of Jordan 1 mids here. It's okay actually, when you have them in hand, you kind of do notice that it's not like as high as the regular Jordan 1 high, but it's not as big of a noticeable difference. I would not prefer this to be like my first Jordan 1 mid. I think they do have some really cool colorways recently. The European pack, the Milan edition is really nice. And then also when they did the Chinese New Year collaboration with Clot, that was really nice as well for Jordan 1 Mid. So I think it depends on the theme. It's okay to get the Jordan 1 Mid. Other than that, I don't really prefer it. This one's got a lot of interesting features, but ultimately, I don't know how I feel about the color combination. I think if they had just done the teal green completely, I think it would have been a perfect summer sneaker. It's kind of tough. I think like, I like maybe this shoe better than this one. Something about the purple and the teal just kind of reminds me of like Barney's, like the cartoon character. It just seems very childish with the color combination. Kind of prefer if they had just done one color instead, but with the mix, the two, I don't really know how I feel about this. These are supposed to be the Luka Doncic, but there's really nothing that says his name. I don't really understand the color inspiration completely. His name's not really anywhere. That doesn't really tell his story. So I feel like there's another thing that's kind of lacking from that. Maybe this is just Jordan brand kind of testing the water to see where Luka Doncic would be, how popular he is with the fan base. Problem with the Jordan brand is that it's hard for them to find another athlete to pick up the legacy of Michael Jordan himself. Over the years, you know, they had Ray Allen, Carmelo Anthony, Chris Paul, most recently Russell Westbrook. But to be honest, none of those players really ended up being like the ultimate like superstar, Hall of Fame, like a Kobe Bryant or like a LeBron James. And so like the sneaker line has really been hard for them to carry. Maybe Jordan Brand is just kind of starting slow with Luka Doncic, but I can definitely see Luka Doncic becoming a much bigger star than some of the players I already mentioned. So maybe in the future he could have some really cool sneakers, but as of right now, it's just this kind of simple collab per se. So overall, I don't know. I don't really know how I like these. And 6 out of 10 the most. Had they done maybe just the one colorway on both sneaker, I would have liked it more. I'm just not really feeling this one in particular. I don't really love the purple and the teal like that. I kind of like this one a lot more. I think the teal bottom is much stronger and this is much more of a summer sneaker to me. Maybe if there were different laces to swap it. I like the upper, I like the white laces. I like this shoe much more than this one, if that makes sense. Let me know what you guys think about this pair of sneaker. Also, let me know what you think about the Jordan 1 mids in general. I think now they're coming out with a lot of cool colorways, kind of copying like some of the most hyped Jordan 1 sneaker and recreating them in a mid, so that, you know, casual fans that love the colorways and obviously can't afford the $1,000 collab can get the simple Jordan 1 mids at a reasonable price. What do you guys think? Do you guys wear them? Do you guys like them? I think the Jordan 1 mids are good for casual Jordan fans that just want to wear it just for the heck of it. They're probably great for fans that are now like in love with Jordan, in love with the sneaker game. For the retail price of $125, that's a much better price than usual Jordan 1, which is like $160, $170. For the right design and collab, the Jordan 1 mids are definitely worth it. But for regular pairs like this one, just wasn't really speaking to me. So I would love to hear your thoughts. What would you rate this out of 10? All right, so there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.